Ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk to you about a topic that affects many of us at some point in our lives. Getting back on your feet after being made redundant. Redundancy can be a tough pill to swallow. It can leave you feeling lost, uncertain, and even a bit defeated. But remember this, redundancy is not the end of your journey. It's simply a new chapter waiting to be written. The first thing I want you to realize is that redundancy is not a reflection of your worth or abilities. It's a business decision, often made for reasons beyond your control. Your skills, your talents, and your potential are still very much intact. In fact, they are your greatest assets as you embark on this journey of rediscovery. Now, let me share with you 5 key principles to help you regain your footing and come out stronger than ever. Acceptance. The first step in overcoming any challenge is acceptance. Accept that you've been made redundant, and allow yourself to grieve for the loss. It's okay to feel sad, angry, or anxious. These are natural emotions, and acknowledging them is the first step towards healing. Self-reflection. Use this time to reflect on your career and life goals. What are your passions? What have you always wanted to do but never had the chance to pursue? Redundancy can be an opportunity to redirect your path towards something that truly fulfills you. Resilience. Resilience is your superpower. Remember all the challenges you've faced and overcome in the past. You have a track record of resilience, and this is no different. Keep your chin up, stay positive, and keep moving forward. Skills development. Consider this as an opportunity to upskill or retrain. The job market is ever evolving, and learning new skills can make you more competitive. Invest in yourself, take courses, attend workshops, and stay current in your field. Network and support. Don't hesitate to reach out to your network for support. Your friends, family, and former colleagues can provide valuable advice, connections, and emotional support during this time. Networking can open doors you never knew existed. Remember that your journey may not be linear. You may face setbacks along the way, but setbacks are not failures. They are opportunities to learn and grow. Every successful person has faced adversity. It's how they responded that made the difference. In conclusion, getting back on your feet after redundancy is a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and growth. You have the strength and determination within you to not only recover but to thrive. Embrace this challenge as an opportunity to create a brighter, more fulfilling future for yourself. So, stand tall, keep moving forward, and never forget that you have the power to shape your destiny. The best is yet to come. Follow the following steps to help get you back on your feet. Setting clear goals. As you move forward, set clear and achievable goals for yourself. These goals will provide you with a sense of purpose and direction. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Each small win is a building block toward your larger success. Embrace change. Change can be unsettling, but it's also a catalyst for personal growth. Instead of resisting change, embrace it. Adaptability is a valuable skill in today's ever-changing job market. Be open to exploring new industries, job roles, or even starting your own venture if that's something you've always dreamed of. Positivity and mindset. Your mindset plays a crucial role in your journey. Cultivate a positive outlook and maintain self-belief. Surround yourself with positive influences and inspirational stories of people who have bounced back from adversity. Your attitude can be a driving force behind your success. Time management. Use your time wisely during your job search or while building your new career path. Create a structured daily routine that includes job searching, networking, and self-improvement activities. Effective time management will help you stay focused and productive. Seek feedback and continuous improvement. Throughout your journey, seek feedback from mentors, coaches, or industry experts. Constructive criticism can help you refine your skills and approach. Continuously strive for self-improvement, and remember that setbacks are opportunities for growth. Stay resilient in the face of rejection. In your job search, you may face rejection, and that's completely normal. Don't let it deter you. Every no gets you closer to a yes. Use rejection as motivation to keep refining your skills and pushing forward. Celebrate your successes. Sometimes, we're so focused on the end goal that we forget to celebrate our achievements along the way. Take time to acknowledge your progress, whether it's landing an interview, gaining a new skill, or making a valuable connection. Celebrate these victories, as they boost your confidence and keep you motivated. Mental and physical well-being. Your well-being is paramount during this journey. Ensure you're taking care of both your mental and physical health. Exercise, meditation, and self-care activities can help reduce stress and keep you mentally strong. Give back. Finally, consider giving back to your community or helping others who may be going through a similar experience. Sharing your knowledge and experiences can be incredibly rewarding, and it reminds you of the progress you've made. In conclusion, the path to getting back on your feet after redundancy is a transformational journey. It's about rediscovering your strengths, embracing change, and continually striving for growth. You have the resilience and determination to not only recover but to thrive in new and exciting ways. Remember that your journey is unique, and every challenge you face is an opportunity to become the best version of yourself. So, keep moving forward, stay persistent, and believe in yourself. Your journey is your story, and it's one of resilience, growth, and eventual triumph. Thank you. And may your path ahead be filled with success and fulfillment.